Okay, so I'm about to open up these OpenRock Pros. Get it? I'm opening up the case and the name is OpenRock. I know that's corny, but I've partnered with One Audio for this video to show you this different take on a wireless earbud. So instead of like digging into your ear and going inside your ear canal, these actually sit on the outside of your ears. So these are an open ear design. One of the good things about this design is that they are wireless. They don't have a wire connected to them. And I have used some other open ear headphones that just have that wire or that band hanging on the back of your neck. So these don't have that. So the way these work is that they basically just slide on around the outside of your ear. So I put the kind of bottom tip on and then I just tilt them backwards and now they're on my ears. But to help you get the best fit for you, these actually have some flexibility to them. So you can actually bend them a little bit to kind of curve them around your ears depending on what size ears you have. So I found these to be comfortable and I do feel them on the outside of my ear there where they're kind of like touching the outside of the ear because they're not digging inside of my ears. So that is something that the first kind of hour of me using them, I just started to get used to. But after you wear these for a little while, you get comfortable to the way they feel. And these actually do look like they weigh a little bit more than they actually do. So each individual headset only weighs 13 grams. So that's really not that bad. And a part of the reason for their size is just that they need to really be able to be in contact with a decent amount of surface area around your ears. And I found them to be really comfortable, especially when I was riding my bike around. And the best thing about this open ear concept is that you're just more aware of your surroundings. Oh, and you can see that these do have a small section on them that's going to be a rubber finish instead of the smooth finish on the rest of the earbuds. And this allows the earbuds to kind of hold on to your ear a little bit better, but also is good for putting these on. You have a little bit of surface there to grip onto. And then also you will find one button on each one of these earbuds that you can use to play and pause your music or to answer and hang up your phone calls. And also this is good because you can use these earbuds individually and then leave the other one in the case. And these don't have on ear detection, so they don't turn on when you actually put them on your ears. They turn on right when you take them out of the case and then connect to the previous device that it was connected to. But they do market these towards athletes and stuff, obviously, right? So these are rated IPX5 for water resistance. So your normal sweaty activities will be fine, and a little bit of light rain is not going to hurt these earbuds.
And okay, so it just stopped raining, so I was really testing out that water resistance. But anyway, the audio that you're hearing right now is actually coming from these OpenRock Pros. These do have dual noise canceling microphones. So for phone calls and stuff, these are definitely adequate. And then also the biggest thing for me as I've just been walking around is that I was able to hear the street traffic around me when I'm walking on the side of the road or crossing on a crosswalk. I'm able to hear the cars and stuff because these are not digging in my ears. And these are going to feel just as comfortable as they did in the first minute of me putting them on versus 2-3 hours later because they're not inside of my ear canal. So if you're looking for something that's like all day comfort, I think these would be ideal for people looking for something like that.
Now, being the old man that I am, I'm not working out for more than an hour these days. But if you want to work out a little bit longer while using these or just wear these for a long time, when you do have these on your ears, you're looking at up to 19 hours of listening time, which is really good. But then when you combine them with the charging case that this does come with, this will give you up to 46 hours of listening time. And the good thing about this case is that it does have a 5-minute quick charge. So in just 5 minutes of charging, you're able to get up to an hour of listening time. So if you are getting ready to go for a run and you forgot to charge these, just give it 5 minutes and you'll be good to go. And the total charging time to get this case fully charged up is around an hour and a half. Oh, and one nice thing I like about this case is that when you do put the earbuds in, it's a very strong magnetic connection. And we've all been there before when you open up a wireless earbud case and one of them falls out and gets all dirty on the ground, but you don't have to worry about that with these. And so on the case, you will find a USB-C port, and inside of the box with these earbuds, you will find a USB-C cable, no wall adapter though, so you have to bring that to the party. But also next to that USB-C port on the case, you will find this pairing button. So you press and hold down on that to be able to enter it into Bluetooth pairing mode to pair with your smartphone or whatever other device. Now, there's no way around it. This case does have some size to it because the earbuds do have some size to them, but they also sent over this case right here, which is a flexible case. And the good thing about this is that even though it is longer than the original case, it's just going to be a slimmer profile. So you actually just take the earbuds out of the original case and just slide them in their own little compartments here. And then now this can easily slide into your pocket. It's not going to be as thick as the original case. So if you know you don't really need the recharging capabilities of the original case, this will be a good option. And all right, so now let's talk about sound quality. So look, open ear wireless earbuds, I really don't have a lot of high expectations for them, but I walked away very happy with these because the sound is balanced. Now they do have a little bit of focus on bass, but the bass doesn't overpower the rest of the audio. So the vocals and the instruments and stuff still come in nice and clean. And they're calling the tech behind this their tube bass technology. And in conjunction with the 16.2 millimeter dynamic drivers, that's really making all of this happen. Even though these are open ears and not inside of your ear, the audio doesn't sound as far away as you might think. So it does sound like something is in my ear, but I don't get that discomfort. Now, when I am using these outside like I am right now, getting rained on at the moment, when I do turn the volume up to 100%, I can drown out most, not all, but most of the background noise. But these don't have active noise cancellation, so I'm not going to be using these on a plane or in a very, very loud environment. And so that really brings me to what your expectations for these will be. So these aren't trying to compete with the noise canceling earbuds out there. These are made for being active or walking around and still being aware of your environment, and also having something that's not going to give you that ear fatigue over time. So these OpenRock Pros right now go for $129. I'll drop a link down below in the description of this video so you can go ahead and check out even more information about these and go ahead and pick up some for yourself if you choose. But also drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about these. And like always, I do want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.